Today, I will show you how to make easy money online by reading books. Yes, you heard it right. By reading books. If it sounds pretty interesting to you, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. This niche profession is called beta reader. A beta reader is an early reader of your manuscript. Beta readers will read and give constructive feedback on your book so you can improve it before launching it publicly. This ensures you have the best possible book before launch. But don't worry, you do not need to have any prior qualifications to become a beta reader. And it is extremely valuable for an author, because at the end of the day, they want to sell as many books as possible, and a constructive feedback just before the launch is extremely valued by them. But you must be wondering, how do you find authors to offer your services to? That's where Fiverr comes in. Fiverr is an online marketplace where beta readers can register themselves and offer their services. Let's check out how much beta readers make. If you check out these profiles of beta readers, you will notice that they have a basic package of a minimum of $20. But if you observe carefully, they are all valuing it by the number of words. A typical novel has anywhere between 70,000 to 200,000 words. Most of the beta readers charge somewhere between $50 to $100 minimum for 50,000 words. And they have an average of 100 plus ratings in 1 year. So if we multiply the ratings and average order value, the result will be $5,000, and that's just for reading a novel and giving them constructive feedback. But initially, you need to attract customers, and the best way to do it is to offer less than what the top sellers are offering. If they offer $5 for 5,000 words, you offer $5 for 10,000 words. That way you will stand out and you will get offers pretty quick, and you can start racking up those 5-star reviews. Once you get 20 to 30 reviews, you can increase the price. So, try this freelance method, and if you want to learn other cool lazy ways to make money, subscribe to the channel and check out this playlist.